Hello guys, so in this video we are going to discuss how to export a Unity project for Google Play Store. So first you need to go to File and Build Settings and check whether your build is on Android or not. If it's on Windows, please switch it to Android because we are going to upload it on Play Store. Change the compression method to this option, LZ4HC, and do exactly what I do. Go to Player Settings. Uh, Here you will be shown some default name. Change it to com.technet. Your game name, and you can give your game name here. Okay, so if you are uploading this game for the first time, keep the version as one only. Here you can upload your icon for the game. Keep this as default. For this section, um, you can upload your icons for the game, background, foreground. Then for this option, you can change the orientation of the game. So if you keep it auto rotation and all, I want to give it as landscape, so change it here. Splash image we will provide you. What splash image does is, like, when the game is opening, it will show the company name or something which you want to show on the screen. So if I preview this, it shows made with Unity. So we'll provide you the splash image. You can also change the sequence and all for the splash image. Then next, in other settings, you have to change the scripting backend to this option, and here you can see the API level. So this game will be supported on Android 5.1 or above, so don't change that. Then next, you have to go to publishing settings. So you have to make a key. So if you are making the game for the first time, it will ask you to make a key, but if you are uploading for the second time, you have to choose the key which was made previously. So if we are uploading it for the first time, so we will create the key. Go to key store manager, key store, create new. I will suggest you to keep it in a dedicated location, so I will create in a desktop. You can give it a name so you remember that name, so I give it as game. So here I will suggest keep the password and alias same, so you can give any password, but choose a password which you can remember it easily. So as Techno for example. You can keep it as your game name or something which you can easily remember. First and last game you can give it as your game name. So organization unit Technet. City locality Mumbai. State of province Maharashtra. And country code is India. So here you can see our keys created. Now it will show to select key. So select the key. And now you can close this option. Now go to build settings. Choose the build app bundle and then build the app. name your package as name. So, so here you can see your package file is exported. Uh, to export the APK file, just unclick this and just build the file. And here you can see the extension as APK. So you can give your game name here. So this is how you export package file and APK file for uploading